Hello everyone, welcome back to Elixirs of Rotaract. Today with us we have Team Media Productions who are the backbone for Rotaract in these digital times. Hello everyone.
Hi guys, I am Rotaractor Hardik Shah, Joint Media Production Director for 2021 at Rotaract District 3141.
Hi guys, this is Rudractor Sneh, Director of Media Production for the year 2021 for Rudract District 314.
Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. So my first question to you all is, how did you all cross paths with Rotaract? Because I've heard Sneh that you have revived the Rotaract Club of Bombay West, and even Hardik, I feel like yours is an interesting story with Rotaract. So could you all please elaborate about it?
So my Rotaract journey started in 2017 when I joined my college, VS College of Pharmacy. At first, I wasn't aware that what is Rotaract and what it does, but as I joined Rotaract, I came to know that yes, this is the field where one can explore himself and learn a lot of things and make new friends. Like Rotaract is friends on every station. So yeah, that's it from my side.
Okay, so I started my Rudract journey way back then. I guess any of you would have joined from the three people sitting out here. That is the year 2012. Okay, 2012 13. I started my journey from the Rudract Club of Mitibai College for 2 years. Then that's how I started because there was nothing else to do in that year in college apart from Rudract because there was a very vague sound Rotaract Club of Mitibai College, okay, RCMC. So that was where I started it. It was the first icebreaker sessions where a lot of cute girls were there. So it really urged me to go and sit that session. And later on, it just became a part of me where I was an OC member for Fry and DC and RRs and everything. And that's how it really connected me to Rotaract. And that's what it always has urged me to, work towards it.
How long have you been into the council?
Okay, so council story is a bit tricky for me. So my first year as a council was in the year 2014-15, where in the under the leadership of then DRR Rotractor Imam Jakia. Then I resumed again the council in the Ojasis year, that is 2021, and I am hopefully a part of the year 21-22 as well under Bharat Patel.
Uh, you, like Sri Gauri mentioned, you revived Bombay West. What was that like?
Okay, so that is a story where so my parent Rotary is Rotary Club of Bombay West. So it has around five Rotary clubs then. It was Matibai, Sate, NM, UPG, Andheri, five, and the sixth one was Bombay West. And it was very inactive since the last couple of years before I revived it and everything. So I was a part of Andheri when a fellow Rotarian, then Rotarian Samapti Patel ma'am came up to me saying that we want to revive one more club that is our own Rotaract club that is from the Rotary Club of Bombay West. So at that time I had already committed to a directorship at Rotaract Club of Andheri. So I had told her that that year I might not be able to shift in, but will definitely look forward for the next year. Then we met a couple of times. She asked me for a team, a plan, and everything. And things got into place. She was the one who did all the documentation for me and everything. So it was a very smooth process. I didn't have to run from office to office or DRR to DRR or anything like that. She's a gem of a person, and she really helped me with all from right from the charter till the gavel and gong till our installation on 5th of August 2017.
Great story. So one more question I want to ask here is, so this year being a pandemic, coronavirus pandemic, how was it for y'all? How the pandemic has treated y'all? What was the experience like, Hardik?
Yeah, so every year we just are visible on the ground, like capturing things and capturing the moments. But this year there were no on-ground events, and we had to do everything online. So we tried we tried to help team social media and also YouTube revamp and making different kinds of videos. Over to you, Sneh.
Okay. For me, it was very difficult to be very honest. I am an old school person. I really don't like being in front of camera. Rather than I love being in back of my camera, like behind the cameras. Okay, I'm really not a good poser or any. I get very awkward. But over a period of time, just just sitting in front of camera at innumerable say Zoom meetings or Zoom calls or video calls or whatever you call it right now. So that has really helped me, be comfortable in front of the camera as well. So I think it was a bit of a challenging situation for me as well. But when it comes to the online digitalization of it, like Hardik rightly said, we did revamp for the YouTube thumbnails and every other thing as well. We did work for the reels that had come in that at that time. We tried to innovate in our own way, even if we were not using our cameras to do so.
That's really amazing. In addition to what you all had mentioned, I have one more question to it. So, with us going digital this year, Rotrack's one of the most strongest backbone has been media productions and digital media, these avenues. So, I'm pretty much sure that there was a lot of load on both of you all. So, how did you all manage doing all of these things with your professional life as well, please?
Okay, I have a very simple solution to that. I used to work the nights and Hardik used to work the days.
Yes.
So yeah, so that's how we did manage. So whenever I got time, I work at night, and I used to sleep all day. He used to sleep in the night and work in the days. So it got really very easy to manage that.
Great.
That's pretty much a very good equation.
Like it was very nice that दोनों ने adjust कर लिया एक दूसरे के साथ. So the last question here is with the year coming towards the end, what do you see in the future of media productions with the coming year in the coming years for
I
media
guess
production?
I guess Hardik should take out because he's the one continuing the position next year as well.
Next year, the quality of videos will be quite better because this year I was just working on Filmora, but next year I'll try working on different apps as well. So yeah,
And I'm pretty sure whenever Hardik gets stuck, I'll be there to help him with the videos or the shooting part or whatever it is.
definitely.
So
वो तो
yeah.
You're just
Yeah,
you're
so
just one call away. Like
yes,
yeah, definitely, definitely. Only the roles and position is changing. It's just that because since photography being my profession, it cannot get away from it. So anywhere he gets stuck or anywhere he needs help or something, I'm just a call away. What he needs to do. Say this is the work we need to get it done. Simple as that.
definitely.
That's really sweet that the bond is going to continue in the same way ahead this coming year as well. So we are moving now towards the end of the year, and I believe that both are very well connect with each other and are well versed with each other. So we'll be playing a fun game with you all named Two Truths and One Lie. तुम लोग से हम लोग ने statements लिया है तुम्हारे, so we'll be just testing your bond on the basis of your statement. Anisha, you go
हार
ahead.
हार्दिक मैं जो भी आंसर बोलूँ हाँ बोल देना फिलहाल के लिए.
Okay.
so, starting with Sneh, I'll give you statements. The first one is I have dated more than twice from Rotaract. The second one is I have been in the moment since a decade now. And the third one is I have never been in any club's core team more than twice.
Core team, I guess that's true. And for decade, that is also true. And then we come to that dating wala question. That is
सब
false.
true. सब true है, सब true है.
तीनों true है.
अरे तो ऐसा ऐसा मतलब एग्जाम पेपर लिख रहा है ना, तो
नहीं,
पहला डिकोड कर दिया ट्रू, दूसरा डिकोड कर दिया फॉल्स, तीसरा डिकोड कर दिया ट्रू.
Okay, so
Okay,
actually, answers.
so technically he's correct. The first one is false. The second one is true. The third one is true. Nice. So I've always been in the core team when I was a president and IPP. So that's the only twice I have been in the core team of any club. So that was my Bombay West. Like
And that
president
was
bana
my
core.
start year in Rotaract, so I remember that.
Yeah. Then everyone knows that it's almost a decade that I have been in council. Oh, sorry, Rotaract. So yeah.
So now the next statements are with regards to Hardik. So Sneh, you have to guess them, which is true and which is false. So Hardik has been in 4 to 5 committees in his college. That's statement one. Second statement is Hardik loves cooking. And third statement is Hardik likes dogs.
Sorry, third statement.
Third statement is Hardik doesn't likes dogs.
Okay, the first and the second is true. The third one is false.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
right.
because he's been he's the chocolate boy of BES college.
Arey, bas.
So with this, we come to the end of the session. Thank you for joining and thank you for supporting so much to the organization and giving your best. Until next time, bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye
guys.
bye.